In this video, we are going to show you how to update your LinkedIn profile. First, click on the Open to tab to show your network whether you are hiring, finding a new job, providing services, or finding volunteer opportunities. If you are finding a job, you can specify job titles, location types, employment types, and your start date. You can choose one of the options under visibility and then save. Next, let's move on to the intro section. Here you can update your name, headline, current position, and industry. To update your experience, click on Add New Position. Then you can update your title, employment type, and the organization you work for. You can mention whether you are currently working in this role. If not, you can add the start and end date of the role. Then add your location and the work description. Let's move to the skills section now. You can add skills based on your role, ideally your top 5 skills. It's time to add your education. First, add the name of the institute, your degree or qualification name, field of study, and the time period. You can further add your grade, activities, and other descriptions related to the qualification here. Then add the skills you gained through that qualification. Here you can add more skills, especially soft skills and technical skills, because 50% of hires use skills data to fill their roles. Stay tuned for our next videos on the importance of each section of your LinkedIn profile.